There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2019 Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack in green Go. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, black painted roof, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 4-piston front brakes, Bilstein high-performance suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted shift control, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Beats premium speakers with subwoofer, heated rear seats, power sunroof, 6.4-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5524A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.